Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix floating keyboard problem in your Samsung smartphone. So let's start the video. Friends, if your floating keyboard is not working, so here you can see the floating keyboard. If you have floating keyboard, so you have to just fix it by going to the settings of your smartphone, click on applications. Here are the applications. Click on search right here Gboard. Tap on the Gboard. Here it is the Google keyboard. You have to click on storage and clear cache and clear data. After that it will fix your floating keyboard problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.